Hey roses! Welcome back to my channel. Can you believe it? 2025 is right around the corner. Whether you had the best year of your life or you're ready to leave 2024 behind, it's time to focus on you. In this video, I'll guide you on how to prepare for the new year and become the best version of yourself in 2025. We're talking about glow-ups, goal setting, mindset shifts, and creating the life you've always dreamed of. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get into it. Reflect on 2024. Before we jump into all the amazing plans we have for 2025, let's pause and look back at 2024. I know this can feel overwhelming, especially if it wasn't your favorite year. But trust me, this step is so important. Ask yourself, what went really well this year? What didn't go as planned? What lessons did you learn from the highs and the lows? Reflection isn't about judgment, it's about growth. I personally love doing this with a cozy playlist in the background and a candle burning. Grab your journal and write out these lists. 1. My top 3 wins. These can be big or small, anything that made you feel proud. 2. My top 3 challenges. Be honest with yourself. What was hard and how did you handle it? 3. Lessons I learned. Every experience, good or bad, teaches us something, so write it down. Reflection isn't about being perfect, it's about being honest with yourself and learning as you go. By taking the time to reflect, you'll step into 2025 with a clear mind and a grateful heart. What's one thing you're proud of from 2024? Share it in the comments. I want to celebrate with you. Create your 2025 vision. Now that we've reflected on the past year, it's time to dream big for 2025. Forget about what's realistic or what others expect from you. If there were no limits in this world, what would 2025 look like for you? I want you to imagine your best self, the girl who has her life together, who feels confident, happy, and unstoppable. What does her life look like? Write it down, or better yet, make a vision board. Vision boards are magical because they help you visualize your goals daily. Here's how to make one. 1. Pick a theme. Is 2025 about self-care, career growth, or finding joy? 2. Gather inspiration. Use Pinterest to find pictures that align with your goals. Whether it's travel destinations, outfit vibes, or even empowering quotes. 3. Create your board. This can be digital, on Canva or Pinterest, or physical. I personally love using magazines and making it a whole craft day. Once your vision board is done, place it somewhere you'll see it daily. It's like a mini pep talk every morning. Build a routine. Okay, you've got your goals, and you're feeling inspired. What you need next is a solid routine. Routines are like the little habits that shape your life without you even realizing it. So, let's create one that works for you in 2025. Step 1. Start with your morning routine. Your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. It doesn't have to be perfect or complicated. It just needs to energize you and get you focused. Here's how to build your dream morning routine. Wake up at the same time. Find a wake-up time that works for your body and schedule, whether it's 6 a.m. or 9 a.m. But be consistent. Hydrate first thing you wake. Drink a glass of water before anything else as soon as you're up. Your body will thank you, and you'll feel refreshed. Quick mindset check. Journal, meditate, or just sit with your thoughts. Ask yourself, what's one thing I want to achieve today? Move your body. Whether it's stretching, a short walk, or a full workout, get your blood flowing. It's a complete game changer for your energy and mood. And if you're not a morning person, that's okay. Just focus on one small habit to start, like making your bed or taking 5 deep breaths before checking your phone. Step 2. Create an evening routine. If your mornings set the tone for your day, then you need an evening routine to help you wind down and prepare for success the next day. Here's how to create a relaxing and productive evening routine. Unplug. Set a time to put your phone away, even if it's just 30 minutes before bed. It helps you sleep better and reduces stress. Reflect on your day. Journal or think about what went well and what you can improve tomorrow. Ask yourself, did I take one step toward my goals today? Prepare for tomorrow. Lay out your clothes, pack your bag, or write a quick to-do list. It saves so much time in the morning. Wind down. Read a book, take a warm shower, and listen to calming music. Create a peaceful vibe that helps you sleep like a queen. And please keep in mind that your routine isn't set in stone. It should evolve as your goals and life change. Maybe you realize you're more productive at night than in the morning. Switch things up to work with your natural rhythm. Declutter your life. Before you start 2025, it's time for a major cleanup. You can't welcome new blessings if your life is cluttered with old baggage. Declutter these areas first. Your space. Go through your room, closet, and desk. If you haven't used it in the past year, let it go. Your phone. Unfollow accounts that drain your energy. Organize your apps. Maybe even set a cute new wallpaper for a fresh start. Your mind. Let go of negative self-talk. Write down positive affirmations and read them daily. Decluttering isn't just about removing things. It's about making space for what you truly love. Prioritize self-care and mental health. Okay, let's have some real talk. Self-care and mental health are not luxuries, they're necessities. And 2025 is your year to take care of you. Schedule regular self-care days and go to therapy if you can. Self-care isn't just bubble baths and spa days. It's about taking care of your mind, your body, and your soul. Here's how to have the best self-care. Mental self-care. This is all about keeping your mind sharp, calm, and inspired. This can include reading, mindfulness, and digital detox. Replace endless scrolling with something more meaningful, like a hobby or journaling. Physical self-care. Physical self-care is about treating your body like the queen it is. Ask yourself, how can I feel better in my body in 2025? Start with small but powerful habits like moving your body, hydrating, and rest. Soul self-care. This is about feeding your spirit and connecting to something bigger than yourself. Here are some ideas that would help. Gratitude practice. Every morning or night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your perspective in the most amazing way. Spirituality. If you're religious, spend more time in prayer or reading spiritual books. Do what you love. Paint, write, sing, or do anything that makes your soul happy. Life is too short not to do what lights you up. Your self-care doesn't have to be perfect. Some days, self-care is a face mask and a Netflix binge. Other days, it's taking a nap. My point is, listen to your needs and honor them. Surround yourself with positivity. In 2025, I want you to become intentional about positivity. Your vibe attracts your friends. Start 2025 by surrounding yourself with people, content, and environments that inspire you. Find a podcast or YouTube channel that motivates you, besides mine. 2025 is a new year filled with new possibilities for you. Take it one step at a time, celebrate your progress, and remember that growth isn't instant. It's a journey. I hope this video inspired you to plan your best year yet. Let me know in the comments one thing you're excited about for 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Girl Talk videos like this. You've got this, and I can't wait to see you shine.